This video is on the steps of long division. An acronym that I've asked my students to remember is DMSB, standing for divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. These 4 steps are the steps that you will follow in that order to help you through the process of long division. I'm going to go through 2 examples using the DMSB steps. So the first example is 168 divided by 4. I'm going to first divide. I'm going to divide the 4 into 16. I cannot divide the 4 into 1, or it goes in 0 times, so I'm going to go 4 into 16. 16 divided by 4 is 4. It's important to write the answer of the 4 directly above the last digit of the number you are dividing into. So we've now divided. The next step is to multiply. 4 times 4 is 16. Now we subtract. 16 minus 16 is 0. And the B is for bring down. We're going to bring down the 8. Once you bring something down, you start again with the D. We divide. We are dividing 4 into 8. 4 goes into 8 twice, so that 2 needs to go directly above the 8. Now we multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. We subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. And because I have no more digits to bring down, that lets me know I am done. So 168 divided by 4 is 42. Let me go through one more example. 324 divided by 13. So I'm going to start with the D, divide. 13 is going to divide into 3 0 times, so I'm going to try to divide 13 into 32 to start. 13 will divide into 32 twice, so that 2 needs to go directly above that last digit of the number I was dividing into. Now we multiply. 13 times 2 is 26. We subtract. 32 minus 26 is 6. And we bring down the 4. We now need to go back to dividing since we had something to bring down. We're going to divide 13 into 64. A lot of students will say to me, I don't know how many times 13 goes into 64. My suggestion is to come out to the side and do a few multiplication problems to determine exactly how many times it would divide in. I'm going to start with 13 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. I'm only 39 and I need to get to 64. It seems to me that just adding 13 one more time may not be enough, so let me try 13 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Write down the 5, carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. I can see I've actually gone over by 1, so the perfect solution would be a 4. 13 is going to go into 64 4 times, so I write the 4 above. I can come back out to the side to do 13 times 4 to ensure that I'm getting correct numbers. 13 times 4 is 52. So I put the 52 underneath the 64. I'm to my subtraction step. I'm going to get 12. I have no more numbers to bring down. That means I am done, but because I did have a number down here, it becomes my remainder. So the quotient of 324 divided by 13 would be 24, remainder 12. You know that you are on the right path if your remainder is smaller than the number you were dividing by.